Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. This is about to get crazy. I told you guys, get ready for this. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. How your boy just keep calling it out. Go ahead and get ready for the haters to be mad in the back. Go ahead and get mad. Because if you paid attention to yesterday's video, Hayes told you exactly what was going on. I told you guys a bullish market was happening within this bearish market. Last week, we hit a peak, meaning we did so much on last week. It was basically the end. It could have been the end of this little mini bullish market. We did it. We completed it. Stocks over 30-40% in a single day, up over 80% in a week. Like, that's it. But I told you guys, with the market pulling back and coming down like that, because we got so far ahead of ourselves and did so good, it's just pulling back and just to breathe a little bit, just to spring and go a bit higher. Being for the fact of all the traffic, all the investors that bought in at the top, waited last minute, bought towards the end of last week. They didn't even get a chance to make no profits, but they caught the wave towards the end, and then the market tank came this week. And now all those investors just sold their same investments for a loss because they thought the market was about to tank and crash again, but in actuality it was just pulling back. Now that it's soaring again, those same people trying to buy right back in. And the market going to be choppy today, but overall I do believe it's going to be green and shock a lot of people. But as it be choppy, and the same people that just sold for a loss and trying to buy back in because they see it going up, the market going to drop one more time, and they're going to sell again and still lose money, and then it's going to rip back up on them as we making money. The ones that really understand the concept, that listen to the words that's coming out of my mouth. But anyways, guys, like I told you, I block out a whole lot of noise, a whole lot of stuff that don't even, I don't even really got to look at what's going on out there for real. I just pay attention to the math. I pay attention to the price action. I pay attention to the momentum, the volume. I pay attention to the economy, different other factors that's going into play that ain't really got nothing to do with a lot of the other stuff that people be telling you guys about, that just be a whole bunch of noise, and it just make themselves look good, and make them look more educated, and make them look all these things that's just a waste of your time. The only thing you need is the numbers, the money. That's all we here to do, is make money, right? You don't need all that extracurricular activity stuff. That's just in my opinion. If you do though, go over there to their channels and waste your time and hear all that good stuff, when you could just get the real, the raw, exactly what you need to make money right over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it though, guys, because I told you guys what's gonna happen now. I wish I can pull up the video, but I don't like to prove myself like that too much, because like I say, people feel as if I'm bragging or boasting. It's not that I'm bragging or boasting, it's just whenever I'm right, and I be 100% right. I just want to show you with proof more than I could just tell you. Like, hey, yesterday I said the CPI inflation data report is reported at 8:30. So yesterday, as we pulled back, it was already pricing in the CPI inflation data report, whether it to be negative, the same, however it could be, it was already being priced in. So with it being priced in like that, and the market already falling ahead of CPI inflation data report being reported, by the time 8:30 come early in the pre-market, even if it want to fall more, okay, we already locked in, we already digested the badness of the report. So now what we're gonna do from here, now that we done digested, it's time to go back up, baby. That's why I said it's a good thing how everything was playing out. We already felt yesterday prior to the report, then the report is in the pre-market, which is also a good thing. Give us all day to spike right back up after we take the hit, or whatever, however it wanna react after the report is reported. And that's exactly what took place. Now as you can see, guys, things is heating up very, very quickly. Even crypto, like I said, we know, Ben told y'all that too. Ethereum taking off like a bat out of hell. Ethereum Classic taking off like a bat out of hell. Upstart about to take off like a bat out of hell. Snapchat just spiked up. Tilray just spiked up. Coinbase just spiked up. AMC just spiked up. Hood just spiked up. Carvana just spiked up. The whole market just spiked up. And everybody else, Bitcoin just spiked up. And everybody else is expecting, oh, bloody day today, we going short, we going short. What Hayes just told y'all in yesterday's video, the market is about to turn back up on today. So you already know, like I say, man, add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, guys. Also get in VIP, because I'm about to call out some plays right now, because things is about to get dangerous. You definitely want to be getting right though, guys, because like I say, the pivot point for AMC, the break back up, the takeoff, we already hit it. It was 23. We had 23.52, up over 4.7% in the pre-market. Volume is doing exceedingly well, over 62 million shares. This thing is looking very interesting, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready. We go.